there, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today I've got my last Christmas project of the year, and this really is a project if you happen to have this stamp set, but I just thought it was so cute I had to share it. So I'm using the From Our House to Yours stamp set. I haven't used this enough, so another reason to use it today. Note card and envelope, always the place I start with my Simple Stamping Saturday, and I've just used two colours, slightly wonky door there, to produce these houses. Oh, I haven't stamped inside. Bad demonstrator. Somewhere I have a basic grey ink pad. Here we go. And I've got the sentiment that I've used on the other two cards that I've already made. And it's wherever we wander, wherever we roam, at Christmas time our hearts come home. And I thought it was appropriate, bearing in mind we've got hearts coming out of the chimney. There are some really lovely sentiments. If you would like this for next year, you can still order it. It is in stock, or was in stock when I filmed this. So if you want it, you can still get it. So, note card and envelope. Whisper White note card and envelope. They come in packs of 20. They are brilliant for when you start stamping, or if you want to produce lots of quick cards. So I have mounted up most of the stamps I need, not all, but most, and I'm only using two ink pads the whole way through. I'm not introducing any extras when I go on to the casual or avid version. So I've got the townhouse, I guess it's the townhouse. So I'm just inking that up in basic grey and stamping that. And then we've got the kind of, I don't know what this is, the house that goes into the pitched roof. I don't know, whichever. And then I've got the continuous roof for my townhouse, and the split roof for the lower house. And this is one where you really need to get on top of it, but guess what, you're in the way. There we go, not too bad. Right, I'm going to just quickly clean that stamp and put one of the doors on the block. We've got 3 doors that we can choose from, so I've chosen 2, obviously, as there are 3 to choose from, and I've only got 2 houses. Blushing Bride ink pad. So let's take this door, and I'm going to put this on the townhouse, and hopefully do a better job this time, which I have. And I just need to find somewhere I hid. Oh, there it is. I was going to say somewhere I hid the other door. It's on one of the other blocks. I think I might treat myself to some more blocks in the new year. And then I've just got the hearts on the other side of the block, and I'm having those come out of the chimneys. And then I also need the front of my envelope, and I'm just going to pop the hearts down on that as well. And that's all the stamping I'm going to do on the front of the chimney. And then, of course, I must remember to do the inside of my card. It's my not New Year's resolution, it's just my resolution to actually stamp on the inside of cards. The reason why I don't habitually is because I can then, if I'm doing a card and I'm not quite sure what it's for, because not all of my cards have sentiments on the front, I can then change the card to be a thank you or birthday card just by adding the sentiment. So that's the reason I do it, that and the fact that I am notoriously bad at writing on cards. I get, I don't know, white paper fear or something. So I don't do a very good job of writing on the inside of the card. And if it's just a piece of card that I haven't stuck to the card, then that seems to be all right. So that's my simple version. Then for my more my more casual crafter, I've added some Blushing Bride cardstock as a mat. Then I fussy cut. Really easy to fussy cut. It's straight lines. I fussy cut the two houses, stamped again, and yes, I have stamped on the inside. And I've just popped these up on dimensionals. And then for my more avid crafter, I've gone with the rectangle dies, and even this square from the middle is rectangle dies. And if I can work out the easiest way of explaining how I've done it, I'll do it as a Top Tip Tuesday sometime very soon. So I've got a smut there. That's better. Now, if you are using North American letter cardstock, you won't have this large bit at the bottom because the rectangles are sized for your cardstock. But for those of us with International A4, having the larger bit at the bottom, your eye prefers it, and it's kind of this, it mirrors the Polaroid shape. So yeah, and I just thought I'd put it a little natty angle. I've added on the Polaroid bit here, Merry Christmas in Blushing Bride and Basic Grey again. I've added some of the epoxy heart droplets, which these I've coloured with the dark Flirty Flamingo. Because they're see-through, they don't take the colour as a solid colour. So that was the best match I could get with Blushing Bride. And then for the chimneys, I've just added clear hearts just on those two there. So there we are. We have our quick, simple, our more casual, and our avid version. And yes, I've used Basic Grey. My brain! I'm still in that panic. I haven't done anything for Christmas. We bought a tree. I haven't decorated it. We have got the decorations down, and that's about it. The decorations are in the box in the garage, and yeah. And I'm running out of time. And we've got people coming to stay on Monday, so little panic station here. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for joining me. Do remember that if you wish to subscribe, there is a subscription button in the bottom right-hand corner. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. There is a link to the associated blog post below in the description bar. If you are in the UK and would like to shop with me, that would be fantastic. I would be thrilled. And remember that on the 3rd of January, we have got the new mini catalogue launching and the celebration catalogue launching. All of my customers have now had sent out to them the catalogues. They probably won't arrive until after Christmas. I didn't want them to get caught up in the Christmas mail, but they are on their way. If you are in the UK and would like a catalogue, there is a catalogue request form on my website on the catalogues tab, which you can get, as I say, to my website just by clicking the link below. Thank you very much indeed for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye!